YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Just Bucks, and I'm back with another video. Y'all see your boy looking rough, and I ain't gonna lie, I learned how to line myself up, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it too. Let's go. The first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need some ducktail clips, and this is just gonna hide your hair back and hold it back so you can see what you're doing and you don't mess yourself up. Now all you want to do is you're gonna want to comb your hair down, and grab your one guard, close the lever, and let's get to the debulk. The debulk, what it does is not only does it make the lineup just come out a lot cleaner, but it also allows you to see any cowlicks, any widow's peaks, any light spots that you have, and you can even those things out. Yeah, y'all see how it's coming? Yeah. All right, so now we gotta freeze that thing. Yeah, got to be glue spray. This is my favorite spray to use. Brush it down once I'm done, and then yeah. So my trimmer of choice today is going to be the Babyliss FX trimmers. I want to start in the corners. I ain't gonna lie, a lot of people going to tell you to start in the middle, but I find it easier to start in the corners. Once you got this corner straight, and it really gives you a guideline as to where you can meet it in the middle. Like you see, I'm focusing on the corner right now. And what you do to one corner, you do the other. Make that a 90-degree angle if you can, best as you can. And my lineup is round, my forehead's round, so I got that little rounded appearance. Hey, when I look straight up and down at you, just go look straight. Now we go in the middle, and we just go from the middle, use the trimmer, and then take it to the corner where we started. Now I grab my coloring spray. You can grab this from your local Walmart, local beauty supply, anything. Get you a card. I personally have the Cut Buddy, but you can use a business card, anything that comes with a tag. And yeah, man, when you spraying this, you're gonna make sure that you spraying the card itself and not the hair. This allows it to be, what's the word? This allows it to be, light and looking natural, not too dark and harsh. As y'all can see, I did it wrong right here. I'm gonna brush that out and blend it in or whatever. But yeah, that's the thing I love about this, is that you can always use a brush and blend it and get it to look how you want it. Now you see I'm hitting my light corners that I have. Man, what we do to one side, you're gonna do to the other side. Now I'm gonna grab my Topic fibers. This is just to give it some texture. So I already filled in the color that's missing. Now we're gonna make it get that hair texture. Once again, you're gonna have it about 10 inches away from your head. You want to just tap it lightly. As y'all can see, man, it looks like hair now, don't it? After that, I just like to go back over the lineup, make it extra crispy as I can. And yeah, man, I just think it really brings it together once you really go over it again, because you can get that little hangover that just hangs over on the lineup from the Topic fibers or from spray in general. far as the C cups go, you go point A right here, point B right there, and bring it to point C, which is the middle. It's really easy. A lot of people overcomplicate it, but it's really easy. As you can see, I just did it that quick. It took less than 15 seconds to do. Yeah, you can also spray that with some enhancements too if you like. That's personal preference though. Now the rest of this is optional after this clip, so I'm gonna just let it roll. I'm not gonna talk no more. I'm gonna just let y'all watch what I'm doing and y'all can follow along. It's pretty self-explanatory. But hey man, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video and let me know how the cut turned out. Or the lineup, my fault. It's just a lineup.